Hi everyone, this is Sezan from Nail Solutions, and today we are going to go deep about the air pockets. Why we are having air pockets? We think we do everything right, so let's make a checklist if we do everything right. Okay, first of all, the length of well. As you see, this is a full well tip. Generally they supply us from the courses, and to pushing the glue, it's hard. Okay, it's taking time, very long distance. Shorten your tips. Okay, this is cruel, this is so important. Shorten your well and see how it is to push the glue, and easy to blend too also. Okay, the second is bad glue. Check your glue if it's still good condition and it is still in a good working order. Okay, not dry bad glue. If it's not working, it's not about your application, it's the glue. Okay, and the third one is less amount of glue. Now I'm going to make you a very nice zoom so you can see how I'm applying. Okay, this is my tip, and I'm bringing my glue without swiping the bottle directly in here, starting from the center and spread it to the sides. And I just want to be sure it's in everywhere. Okay, as you see, it's very generous amount. Don't afraid when you are putting the glue, and just watch me. I find the line and voila, let's finish. Sometimes glue comes from here, but don't bother it. Okay, you can swipe it later. I do all the time to my customers and nothing happens. So the last thing is timing. Look, I'm still holding my tip. As this is not a real hand and there is no warmth in this hands, let me hold and give my fingers warmth to here. Timing is cruel. If you put your finger very early, you can think about it was so nice, so why they are coming after it? No, because it is not dried yet, and when you take the pressure of your hand, it just goes up and taking all the air underside. So wait enough time for the glue. Naturally it is 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and the normal hands, real hands, for me it is 3 seconds basically. But nail training hands, whatever you use, wait in a good amount. Okay, look, can you see? Look, it's not moving anymore, so I am sure. And taking my hand, and as you see, no problem, no air bubbles. This is working every time like a magic. I'm just going to put a little bit sanitizer, and I try to get this glue little bit. Do not push too much hard because this nail is not prepped. When you start with the buffing, it will directly goes away. So do not afraid from using glue. Put enough amount glue and always be generous. Probably this is the most working thing in when you're applying tip. So thank you guys watching me, and please subscribe my channel if you like more videos. Have a nice day. Bye.